Let's quickly upcycle few garden stools today to make a wonderful picnic setup. Hello and welcome back to Upcycle. This is Mansa here. Today we are going to upcycle these beautiful stools. They are very aged stools, at least 50 years old, and I'm going to quickly recycle and reuse them. So I'm first sanding this using a thick grid sanding paper. And once that is done, now I'll be using some chalk paint and paint it on the below surface, leaving the topmost part. So take good amount of chalk paint and paint it all over the bottom. This forms the base coat of our stool. Now once this is done, I'm going to apply one more lighter color and then sand it again so that the paint goes into the wood grain. This gives a little distressed finish. You can just leave it like this or use some bright color to finish the whole bottom part. I will sand it up and then color it in a bright pop of red once this is done. It is nice and done, and then I'll color it. You can see how distressed it looks, and it looks beautiful for any vintage projects. Now coming to the topmost part, I'm taking a top coat and priming it using a white gesso. You can use an acrylic white paint as well for this step. So apply one thin and even layer of gesso. Gesso acts as a good primer and it shows the colors well. Once that is done, I would decoupage the entire surface on the top part and then resin pour it so that it is reusable and it is functional. I'm taking one part of the resin and 3 parts of the hardener, or as directed by your resin and hardener label. You just mix them up so that they become clear. Now it looks cloudy, so you have to mix until it is clear. Once that is done, I'm be adding some rainbow sparkle to it so that it looks magical, along with some gold foil. I'm taking Montmartre gold foil here, and then you can tear it into bits and then put it inside and mix well and then pour it. So once you pour it, the top coat would be sparkly and with some gold flakes. Wouldn't that be magical? You can follow these simple steps and upcycle your old stools or a bench for your garden setup or a picnic backyard setup. So I'm quickly mixing up the gold flakes and the rainbow glitter and then pouring onto the top surface. Now I've shown you how to apply the base coat. Once that is done, I have decoupaged and stenciled out a mandala in the center so it looks more ethnic. Once this is poured, this is how it looked. We'll set it dry overnight and make for a beautiful garden setup. I hope you like this quick DIY. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.